Hello, this is Lucy at 7th Street. We are at Wanky Field. It is the third inning. Second inning, bottom of the second. And Spanky is in the lead, 7-0. Ow! Ow! There we go. Get out of here! Oh, that's a home run! He's walking the bases. Spanky's not very happy.
Woo! Two-run shot! Two-run shot! Two-run shot!
So now the score is 2-7.
You betcha! Knock my back. Kickball.
Woo!
Using the hot stuff.
Here he goes.
He was your ball, boy.
He was safe.
Yeah, you were bobbling it up. Staying on first right here. This could make it a 3-run game if he knocks one out.
Ha! Strike.
Foul ball.
Foul ball. The Hawk could come back. But Spanky is on fire. Ow.
Get out of here, ball! Woo!
That's another run.
Wood on wood.
I believe now the score is 4-7.
He's gonna try to throw me a mini pitch, but I'll knock it out of here for you. Ow!
That's another home run. The score is now 5-7.
He takes the mini ball on. Hit me. And I also use this as my cane.
That was amazing.
5-7.
The Hawk may come back.
Ah! Foul ball. That was almost another goner.
Almost another.
Foul ball.
Foul again.
Get it. None of this spin. I got my own ball. Here you go. That's a good ball. Oh, fights it off. Ball. I've got nothing, fellas. Give me a ball or something.
There's Spanky. And here comes the Hawk.
The Hawk is my name. Ah, foul ball. He's fighting. Oh! Strike three. Got her out. End of the inning.